Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete TikTok account permanently. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on TikTok app. Okay, then tap on profile, then click on three line option, then tap on settings and privacy. Okay, then tap on account, then click on deactivate or delete account. Okay, then delete account permanently, just click, then choose option, then continue, then done, delete permanently account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.